Mary, on the way back from the Baltic Sea, Jishu and I decided to stop and breathe in some of the great salt water that's here in a small resort town called Szczecinek. And Szczecinek is actually the largest resort town in Poland, although it's small in population size. It is in the woods, as you'll be able to see, and I am standing in front of what's called a taunje, and this is where twigs are placed, and the salt water that's in the springs here is dripped over the twigs, and it is said to be very good for people that have asthma, for people that have respiratory problems, as well as for people that have rheumatoid arthritis. So the structure itself is 45 feet tall, and it is over a mile long. And people come to this place from all over Europe, especially from Poland and Germany, and they come to these spas that are here because each one of them has a different specialty. For instance, I came here 3 years ago when I was first diagnosed with chronic Lyme disease, and I came to a spa where I took peat moss baths, and I was placed in oxygen kind of boxes to push oxygen through my skin because the spirochetes of Lyme disease do not like oxygen. So here in Szczecinek is a very special place for me because when I came here, I was almost unable to walk, and I certainly was not able to put thoughts together. So